Hello friends, my name is Nikita Patel. I am lecturer in VPMP Polytechnic Civil Department. Today we will discussing about subject name Hydraulics. This subject falls in third semester and today we are going to start chapter number 1 is Introduction, and particular topic which we are going to study is properties of fluid. Now next, I like you to brief about objective in this chapter. Today we will study about to know different properties of fluid. There are many important properties of fluid like density, specific weight, specific volume, specific gravity, surface tension, cohesion and adhesion, capillarity, viscosity, bulk modulus of elasticity, compressibility and vapor pressure. In our previous lecture, we were discussed about density, specific weight, specific volume, specific gravity and viscosity. Now, today we are going to move on next property, surface tension. First, the definition of surface tension. Tensile force acting on the free surface of a liquid per unit length is called surface tension. The unit of surface tension is Newton per meter or Newton per mm. It is denoted by sigma. Let's understand surface tension. In figure, we can see that the vessel containing liquid. The liquid molecules in vessel attract each other due to cohesion. Now, cohesion means the attraction between the molecules of a same liquid. In figure, we can see that there are three molecules. Molecule A, molecule B and molecule C are considered. Now, from figure, we can also see that the molecule A attracted in all the direction equally. So the resultant force of molecule A is 0. On other hand, the molecule B is situated near the free surface of a liquid, is acted by upward and downward force, which are unbalanced. So the resultant force of molecule B acting on downward direction. If we talk about molecule C, which acting on the free surface of a liquid, so net resultant force is downward. That's why the free surface of liquid act like a very thin film under surface tension. Next, the property of fluid is cohesion and adhesion. Cohesion means attraction between the molecule of same liquid is known as a cohesion. Example of cohesion is mercury. Next, adhesion. Adhesion means attraction between the molecules of liquid to another body is called adhesion. The example of adhesion is if the rod is deep in water and then taken out of water, the rod becomes wedge. Next, bulk modulus of elasticity. It is the ratio of change in pressure to the corresponding volumetric strain. Bulk modulus of elasticity is denoted by K. Unit of K is Newton per meter square or Pascal. Next, compressibility. The reciprocal of bulk modulus of elasticity is called compressibility. Next, vapor pressure. The vapor pressure of a liquid defined as the pressure at which liquid will transform into vapor at the given temperature. Next, capillarity. Capillarity means a phenomenon of rise or fall of a liquid in a small glass tube when the tube is held vertically in the liquid. Here we can see that there are two figures, figure A and figure B. In figure A, vessel containing water, and in figure B, vessel containing mercury. In figure A, the water rise in small glass tube, that means water molecules adhere to the glass tube. So the rise of liquid surface is known as a capillary rise. On other hand, in figure 2 or figure B, When the same glass tube is dipped in mercury, the mercury fall down in the glass tube. That means mercury does not adhere to any external object. So, the fall of liquid surface is known as a capillary depression. Now next, we solve the examples. For a liquid having mass 2000 kg and volume 2.5 meter cube, calculate mass density and weight density. First, we calculate mass density. We know that the equation of density is equal to mass upon volume. Mass is given as a 2000 kg and volume is 2.5 meter cube. The answer is 800 kg per meter cube. The density is 800 kg per meter cube. Now next, weight density. We know that the equation of weight density is equal to rho into g is equal to density we find earlier is equal to 800 into g is equal to gravity 9.81. The answer is 7848 Newton per meter cube. Next, example number 2. If specific gravity of oil is 0.9, find its density. Here, specific gravity of oil is given is equal to 0.9. Specific gravity is equal to density of oil upon density of water. That means density of oil is equal to specific gravity of oil into density of water. We know that density of water is equal to 1000 kg per meter cube. So, specific gravity is 0.9 into density of water is 1000. So, answer is 900 kg per meter cube. Our next example is calculate specific weight, density and specific gravity of 1 liter of a liquid which weight 7 Newton. Here we have to find specific weight, density and specific gravity. So find the first specific weight. From the definition we know that the specific weight is equal to equation of specific weight is equal to weight upon volume. Here weight is given as a 7 Newton and volume is a 1 liter. So we convert the volume in meter cube. That means 1 liter is equal to 1 by 1000 meter cube. Okay. So the specific weight is equal to weight 7 Newton and volume is equal to 1 by 1000 meter cube. So answer is 7000 Newton per meter cube. Next, density. We know that the density is equal to mass upon volume according to the definition. We also know that the specific weight is equal to rho into g, that means the density into gravity. So we can also write the equation in form of density. Density is equal to specific weight upon gravity. So specific weight we find early 7000 and specific and gravity is equal to 9.81. So the density is equal to 713.56 kg per meter cube. Next, specific gravity. Specific gravity is equal to density of liquid upon density of water. We find the density of liquid in previous slide 713.56 and density of water we know that the density of water is equal to 1000 kg per meter cube. So answer is 0.7135. Next example, if weight density of liquid is 8 kN per meter cube, find its specific gravity. Here we have to given weight density of liquid and find the specific gravity. So we know that the specific gravity is equal to weight density of liquid upon weight density of water. In an example, we have to given weight density of liquid 8 kN per meter. So weight density of liquid is equal to 8 upon weight density of water. We know that the weight density of water is equal to 9.81 kilonewton per meter cube. So answer is 0.815 specific gravity, and specific gravity has a no unit. Thank you.